This tutorial is to review the screening list operation. Once a screening list has been uploaded to the tablet using the easyTone companion software, the subjects are displayed. The screener can select a subject to start screening by simply tapping on the name. Once the test is completed, the overall result is placed in the result column. The icons that will be displayed are a green check mark for an overall pass, orange X for overall refer, and a gray question mark for could not test. Locating a specific subject within the list has multiple selection options. Sort will list in alphabetical or numerical order based on the column selected. Tap on the column header for the sorting to occur. Search the screening list by ID, last name, first name, or other. Type in the characters to limit the list selection. Filter the list by a screening result. Selection is no test, pass, refer, or could not test. When setting to no test, the list will become shorter with each completed test, as only those subjects with no result will be displayed. At any time, change this when another filter is preferred, or reset all to cancel the filter option. Additional screening list operations include the screener icon, which allows selection of the screener performing the hearing screening. The ellipse in each subject line provides the following options. Delete the subject from the list, but once deleted, it cannot be recovered. Could not test opens a box for selection of a could not test reason. Options include absent, do not test, or parent declined screening. This selection will display on reporting documents. Once a subject has a result stored, the ellipse options change to delete and share. The share icon allows quickly sharing or saving a PDF printout through an Android app installed on the tablet. Email, Dropbox, or saving to a Google Drive are some examples. The Add Subject button allows adding subjects to the screening list that were not included in the upload. Once entered, select Save and Start Test to begin the screening, or Save to add the subject to the list for screening at a later time. This completes the tutorial on screening list operation. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.